Question 2. What is the acceleration produced by a force of 12 Newton exerted on an object of mass 3 kg? So see here, solution of this question. What is the acceleration? So you need to calculate acceleration. Force is given 12 Newton, mass is given 3 kg. So you know force is ma, so acceleration is F upon m, 12 upon 3, 4 meter per second square. Answer. Now next question, example number 9.1 of your textbook. I will solve here. Example number 9.1. A constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. It increases the object's velocity from 3 meter per second. Initial velocity is 3 meter per second. Final velocity is 7 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the applied force. So we have discussed in Newton's second law of motion, force equal to m v minus u upon t. Understand? So force equal to m is 5, v is 7, u is 3 upon 2. So 5 into 7 minus 3, 4 upon 2. 4 divided by 2. 5 into 2, 10 Newton. Answer. This is the first part of the question. Now second part, solution. Now if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, now duration is 5 seconds, what would be the final velocity? What would be the final velocity? We have discussed in earlier chapter equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. Okay, here you need to calculate v. U is given 3, you have to calculate a, and t is given 5. Now how you will calculate a? You know F equal to ma, so a equal to F by m. F is 10, m is 5, 10 by 5, 2. So v equal to 3 plus 2 into 5. V equal to 3 plus 5 into 2, 10, equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13 meter per second. Answer. This is the final velocity. Now next question. Example number 9.2 I will explain here. First I will write the question. Example number 9.2. Which would require a greater force? Accelerating a 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, or a 4 kg mass at 2 meter per square. There are two situations: accelerating at 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, or 4 kg mass at 5 meter per 2 meter per second square, which would require a greater force. So you have to calculate the force in each situation. So mass first 2 kg, acceleration first 5 meter per second square, mass second 4 kg, acceleration second 2 meter per second square. Yes, calculate force. So F1 equal to M1 A1. So F1 equal to 2 multiplied by 5. So 10 Newton. And here F2 equal to M2 into A2. F2 equal to 4 multiplied by 2. F2 equal to 8 Newton. So F1 10 Newton, F1 greater than F2. So accelerating a 2 kg mass at 5 meter per square, 5 meter per second square require a greater force. So these are the numerical of the second law of motion. Now one concept I will discuss here, application of Newton's second law of motion. Application of Newton's second law of motion. Application of Newton's second law of motion. There are different types, different applications of second law of motion. I will explain one. A fielder while catching a fast moving ball, while catching a fast moving cricket ball, gradually pulls his hands backwards with the moving ball. सॉल्यूशन, जब फील्डर क्रिकेट की बॉल को कैच करना चाहता है तो हमेशा अपने हैंड इस तरीके से बैकवर्ड लेके जाता है. उसका क्या रीज़न है? उसका रीज़न है न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन में. सी एफ इक्वल टू एम वी माइनस यू अपॉन टी. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला था. यहाँ हमने देखा जो एफ है वो प्रोपोर्शनल 1 अपॉन टी के, मीन्स टी के क्या है, ये इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है. अब जब हम हैंड को पीछे लेके जाएंगे, बैकवर्ड लेके जाएंगे, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? टाइम को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द कैचिंग टाइम ऑफ द बॉल व्हेन वी पुल्स द हैंड्स बैकवर्ड. सो जब हम टाइम बैकवर्ड लेके जाते हैं तो टाइम इंक्रीज होता है कैचिंग का. सो व्हेन टाइम इज इंक्रीजिंग और एफ इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टाइम, सो इफ टाइम इज इंक्रीजिंग फोर्स विल डिक्रीजिंग. टाइम इंक्रीज होगा तो हिट क्या करे, बॉल जो है वो हैंड पे कम हिट करेगी, उस पर फोर्स कम लगाएगी, तो उससे आपको इंजरी होने के चांसेस नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई fielder while catching a fast moving ball gradually pulls his hands backward because he wants to increase the time of catching. That's why force will applied on the hands smaller. उसका जो इफेक्ट है फोर्स का वो कम होगा. That's why इंजरी नहीं होगी. So that's all for today's class. Next topic I will discuss in further lectures, further videos. Thank you so much.